Hello and welcome back. I'm B9 Scrambler, and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Dunu Zen. So this retails for $6.99.99 US, and it was graciously sent to me by Dunu. In fact, they didn't even tell me they were sending it. I found out when it was already in the mail, which is, yeah, so big thanks to those guys. I'm excited to check them out and see what is inside. Now I am reviewing, or not reviewing, I'm unboxing on a different camera today. I sold my main Panasonic G7, so I'm on an Olympus EM10 Mark II that I picked up dirt cheap on the interwebs through Facebook Marketplace. So hopefully the quality is good enough. If not, Anyway, let's dive in and check this thing out. We've got Pinky, of course, ever so trusted. And because I actually like packaging, I will do this carefully so it is not damaged. Out of here. Alright, there you go. Beautiful box, kind of like a record design or sound waves. On the back, for those of you who care about specs, let's see here. There you go. Model info, blah blah blah. Oops. Alright. Black box, nice matte black lettering inside. So this is a very similar unboxing experience so far to the DK3001 Pro. Got this tracing paper in there, designed by Dunu. Inside you've got the earphones and the cable, and this nice dense foam insert, keep them protected. We'll come back to this. Underneath, there we go. So they've got the modular cable on here with their, I think it's a quick switch system. Alright, this is a nice way to store tips. Let's see what we got. So, that would feel like fairly standard, sort of medium bore. They feel okay. We've got... Okay, so these are Sony hybrid style tips. Come on, camera. There we go. Sony hybrid style tips. They feel very, very similar. And it's kind of nice that they include that, because those are actually what I use on the 3001 Pro. And this thing should have a very similar shell design. Let's take out one of these plugs here. Take a quick look. Just a regular 3.5 mil. Very nice. Alright. And what's in here? Okay, we've got the case. Oh, okay. So, very nice carrying case. Come on, camera. You can do it, little buddy. There we go. Very nice carrying case. Zipper. Kind of reminds you of the older cases Campfire Audio used to ship with their stuff. Speaking of Campfire Audio, they've kind of started this trend, it seems. These nice little mesh bags. Insides, we got some foam tips. We've got, okay, whatever that thing is, 1/4" adapter. Some other stuff, we'll dip into that in a moment. Some more tips. Alright, well, lots of accessories, that's cool. What have we got in here? Okay, so yeah, 1/4" adapter, a very, very beefy alligator clip, and a little cleaning brush. Nice. Okay. Oh! You heard nothing, you saw nothing, nothing fell. You're lying if you said you saw something or you heard something fall. I swear to cow. Alright. You don't need to see me struggle with that. Alright, so all this stuff out of the way. Oh yeah, almost. Quality control. Guessing probably a warranty card. And a nice little cleaning cloth. Presented by Dunu. Lovely. So that's a nice accessory kit. All feels nice, high quality. Generous set of tips, as I expect from Dunu. They do a great job with that. They always outfit their earphones with lots of extras, usually very high quality. Okay, let's take a look at the cable here. There we go. Okay, well, this looks nice. There's the quick switch system. This actually kind of reminds me of one of the cables that came with a BGVP, I think the DM6, was it? Super hyped for a while. It's kind of thick, a little bit on the stiff side. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so you've got stainless steel. I'm assuming it's stainless steel, it looks like it. Maybe aluminum. But Y-split with a bead that acts as a chin cinch. Covered so it doesn't get scratched. Cool. Throw that back in there. And now to the part that we've all been waiting for. The Zen. The earphones. Come on, there we go. Alright, well, in my opinion, these look nicer in person than they do in pictures. A little vent on the top. So I think these have a single dynamic. I don't really know the driver makeup or anything. Admittedly, I don't really know too much about them. I know that they've received generally positive feedback, with the usual suspects giving them negative feedback. Let's get it. 1 second. 1 second. Let's see here. I have got 3001 Pro kicking around, and I'm curious about sizing. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, so they are very similar. Oh. If my camera will focus. Come on, little buddy. Oh, this is even worse than Panasonic. There we go. Okay. So yeah. Sizing, very similar. The Zen is surprisingly thicker, considering it only has one driver per side, and this has a whole slew of them. This is definitely lighter. This has got some real heft to it. But ergonomics, I suspect, will be pretty similar. Yeah, cool. Okay, well, anyway, that is an unboxing for the Zen. You've seen what you get. Now, I'll have to listen to them. Thanks for watching.